We had the chance to get back into the studio this week to shoot a new segment to air on TV within the next month or so. And I wanted to share one tip that could make all the difference in the final edit. If you shoot a lot of videos for your team or with your staff, you want to stick around for this one. It's a simple but powerful tip.
I'm Cheryl Tan with Cheryl Tan Media. We help startups to Fortune 500 companies build their media authority and communicate better on video. Subscribe to this channel for content that will help you connect with your audience, share a clear message, and give you strategies to create content consistently. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you won't miss a thing.
We do a lot of batch recordings with teams I work with, either for the TV studio or with clients in their offices. And we try to get 3 to 4 videos shot at one time. If we could do 8 or 9 at once, that would be better, of course. But that takes time to prepare and pull outlines together. So in reality, we can typically do 4 at a time. If you want to release a video a week, that means your batch recording may be once a month or so. And it becomes a little less overwhelming than trying to get everything set up to shoot once a week. A lot happens on batch recording days, and today I want to talk with you about how to put in a little more work on those days that will pay off with a better finished video. Let me know, is this content helpful? As you create video content with your teams, does it help to see how other teams are creating video content? Let me know in the comments, and if it's helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who would benefit from seeing it. First, always record the first take. I don't like doing practice sessions if the cameras are not rolling. That's because you show up differently when you think you're not being recorded. It's the same reason that I feel practicing in front of a mirror doesn't make you as nervous, and so it's not as effective. I always say practice for real, and that means recording everything, even if you think it's a practice run. We do a lot of interviews with people, interviews that, if necessary, can be edited down or re-recorded. But we like to record the interviews in their entirety because you never know when you'll say something brilliant that you would want to keep. So always be recording. And this is the big tip. Always try to do a second take, even if you don't feel like it. Remember when I said earlier that batch shooting days are busy days? There's sometimes a bit of stress around them because you do have to get quite a lot of video and sound captured, and there's a lot of moving parts. But consider this the next time you're shooting a video. You've heard the saying, third time's the charm. Well, if you're putting together an interview segment where one person is interviewing another, and it's a shorter segment where it's important that the conversation flows but is succinct, you want to actually try to do the interviews twice. The first time around, you're trying to find your words, you're trying to make a point clear, that kind of thing. And even if you think you have everything you need, it's generally a really good idea to do it one more time. The second time, you're more relaxed and the words come more easily. If you know that you have something usable already captured, you relax a bit and start to have a little bit of fun in take 2. And that's when you and your guest are at your most comfortable. The resulting video is so much better. I have found if you try for a third take, everybody is cranky, but getting a second take in usually results in a better video in the end. Let me know if this works for you. The power of 2 takes in your recording sessions. If you would like a checklist you can have beside you as you set up your video shoot, you can get the Video Ready checklist for free at CherylTanMedia.com/video tips. Thank you so much for watching.